Hello. Bhavya, please start.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes, you are audible.
Good afternoon, everyone. Our distinguished principal, teaching and non-teaching staffs, the resource person for today's event, Professor Girish Kukreja, sir, and all spectators. We are joined here to celebrate the Reading Inspiration Day on the occasion of birth anniversary of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. This day is observed as a Reading Inspiration Day to pay homage to our former president, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who loved reading and writing and strongly believed that coming into contact with a good book and possessing it is indeed an everlasting enrichment. Reading as a habit helps everyone to grow and open the door of new knowledge to enlighten the mind. Moving forward, I request Professor Ajay Kavle, sir, to introduce the resource person for today's event. Over to you, sir.
Yes, thank you. Good afternoon, one and all present here. It's quite difficult to accommodate introduction of today's guest speaker within short span of time. But as the need of the hour, let me introduce briefly our today's guest speaker, Professor Girish Kukreja, sir. Sir has been school and college topper and has outstanding academic record. Sir is working as a head and assistant professor at Department of Microbiology at NAC re-accredited A++ New Arts Commerce Science College. He has completed his MSc Microbiology, SET, NET, CSIR, GRF in Life Sciences in 2007. He has total 14 years of experience of teaching undergraduate and postgraduate students of microbiology. He has also conducted various courses for biotechnology and drug chemistry. Sir has published 6 textbooks for microbiology and 7 research papers in national and international journals. He has guided multiple projects for MSc students and for Avishkar. Sir has presented his research work at various state, national, and international level conferences as poster and oral presentation, about 25, and also received awards for best presentation. Sir has worked as judge and chief guest for various prize distribution ceremonies and science exhibitions in schools and colleges. Sir has also been invited as a guest speaker on various topics at various schools and colleges in Ahmednagar, Nashik, Mumbai, Pune, on the topics of in microbiology, genetics, metabolism, immunology, life skills, interview skills, stress management, preparation of net, exam stress, time management, research methodology, and research paper. He has his YouTube channel featuring various scientific, spiritual, and social issues. He is an active member of Hygiene First. Hygiene First is an organization which works for the hygiene of Ahmednagar city and has delivered lecture in various schools for the awareness of the same. He has also organized visits and competition for various Anganwadis in Nagar and drawing and competition in schools. Sir has worked on various committees at college level as discipline committee, science association, college magazine, founder member of science club and others. He has worked, he works as a paper setter, moderator and examiner for BSc and MSc microbiology, SPPU. Sir has also been recently appointed as a coordinator for Ahmednagar district for Microbiology Society in India and BOS member for BSc Microbiology at SIES College, Sion, Mumbai. And the most important thing, his keen interest is to motivate students and uplift them for the various daily life challenges and help them to achieve their goals and lead a happy life. He devotes much of his time in counseling the students and mentoring them. As a result, number of his students are working at various positions in various MNCs in India and abroad. So without taking much time, I request him to enlighten us on the topic.
Thank you so much, Ajay, for this kind introduction. Today we have a talk on what to call as reading skills. You really read that CV to the entirety. You left nothing in that. So rather your reading skills should be appreciated. So yes, basically, as I told at the outset, I would like to thank your college for inviting me for this session. It's already 3:15. So without going much here and there, should we directly come to the topic of why we should read and why it is really important to read and what are the benefits of what is called as a reading, which probably with time we are forgetting. मतलब आप देखो पढ़ने को बोलो किसी को तो you will find that people they generally they just cannot read. म्हणजे you see WhatsAppचा एखादा मोठा मेसेज जरी असेल तर you should ask yourselves की how many big messages also we read. मतलब if it is quite big now, you read 2-3 lines, 4 lines, 5 lines, and then you just cannot read it. मतलब we just cannot read even entire good morning. We only want it as GM. We cannot read a good evening. We want it as a GE, and this is what we all talk about, right? We all are what to call as in this pandemic talking about what to call as your online sessions and your online classes, and in your college also probably everything would have been online. Matlab people these days now there are news coming up that probably we'll go back offline soon, but then we all from last 2 years approximately we have been going through these online kind of sessions. So I thought why not share with you all some of our memories of our online classes, right? So just let us have a quick journey through that. Yes. Is the screen visible?
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Yes, thank you so much. Okay, let's go.
Hear me? Am I audible to you? सब कुछ ओके हो तो क्या क्लास करें शुरू? Now, dear students, I am sharing the screen. Pay attention to me. Please do not daydream. रोज का झमेला बस हो गया है अब. कौन सा मैसेज किस ग्रुप पे न जाने आ जाए कब. सिस्को वेबएक्स टीम्स, गूगल मीट और ये जूम. इन ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में तो मैं हो गया हूं गुम. सर और मैडम पूछते, स्टूडेंट्स डू यू अंडरस्टैंड. अब कैसे बताऊं सबको, नेटवर्क का बजा हुआ है बैंड. इतने सारे सब्जेक्ट, सबकी है गूगल क्लासरूम. असाइनमेंट्स और इंटरनल की तो बस मची पड़ी है धूम. एग्जाम का भी तो पैटर्न कर दिया है एमसीक्यू. कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा क्या पढ़ रहा हूं और क्यों. पहले थे चौक और डस्टर, अब ये पीपीटी है आई. इमेजेस और एनिमेशन की ये नई सौगात है लाई. टर्न ऑफ योर वीडियोस और म्यूट करो वो माइक. यूट्यूब पे शेयर किया है वीडियो, करो तुम उसे लाइक. सर एंड मैडम मी ज्वाइन होत नाही. आवाज जरा कट रहा है, समझत नहीं काही. सेमेस्टर पे सेमेस्टर निकल रहे हैं ऑनलाइन. कंफ्यूजन है अब क्या हमारा भी फ्यूचर होगा शाइन. कर रहे हैं कोशिश सब टीचर्स भी जी तोड़. स्टूडेंट्स के करियर को वो रहे हैं सही दिशा में मोड़. ये वक्त ही कुछ ऐसा है, बस समझना है एक दूसरे को. आपकी कोशिशों को, कुछ हमारी मजबूरियों को. वादा करते हैं हम भी, आपके एफर्ट्स ना होंगे फेल. फिर आएगी पटरी पर हमारे एजुकेशन की ये रेल.
Somewhat similar experiences probably I only hope that we all had during this particular pandemic. Ajay sir, do you agree with that?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So yes, so talking about this particular fact of what is called as reading, a reading habit. habit, let me call it as a habit, that if it is something which is happening every day only, then I think it will be called as a habit. लोगों को कैसे चाय पीने की आदत होती है, लोगों को कैसे सिगरेट पीने की आदत होती है. So this reading as a habit, let us talk about this reading as a habit. कसं चहा नाही पिला तर आपल्याला कसं तरी होतं. मतलब if you're not having tea at say 5 o'clock, if at all you like have any other kind of a habit, if you don't do that, some people have a habit of going to the gym. Let us talk only about the good habits, right? So you if you don't do those things probably, then you do not feel good. Matlab, let me call that as a habit. Here I'll be talking about reading as a habit. I'll not be talking as a reading as a compulsion. If tomorrow is my exam and if today I am reading, that won't be a habit, would it be? Matlab, I don't think. Matlab, it's not a habit then. That is something which you did compulsorily. आपको भी पढ़ना ही है. अभी कल एग्जाम ही है. मतलब अभी कल अगर Krishna, my son, matlab, he is now 11 years old. If tomorrow there is a EVS examination, he's going to open the book and he's going to read. But does he open the book when there is no examination? That is what is called as a habit. Matlab, habit is something which you do out of interest. Habit is something which you'll do when you want. Habit is something which you'll do apart from all kinds of what you call as what you call as not so good kind of situations which are there. That let us call it as a habit. We celebrate this in the memory of late Shri Abdul Kalam ji. Matlab, in the introduction we heard, matlab, this particular day, probably it is tomorrow, but being Dasera, probably we are celebrating it as in one day in advance. So today we live in a world where everything is in advance. Matlab, tomorrow is a birthday, people will put photo today only at night and 9 o'clock only, so that कल फिर भूल जाएंगे ना, तो रात को 12 बजे तक जागने से 9 बजे ही रात को डाल देंगे. So it is in advance. So in advance we all are celebrating this what is called as a reading inspiration day. You can remember कि ऐसे लोगों के दिन भी हम कैसे मना रहे हैं. मतलब we are remembering these people, great people, based on like celebration is also based on such particular events which are so rare and which are so fruitful. That only defines that how these people really must have lived their lives themselves were an inspiration to all of us. मतलब दे वो सिर्फ भाषण नहीं देते थे, उनकी लाइफ खुद ही चीख चीख कर हमको बताती थी कि आपको क्या करना चाहिए और क्या नहीं करना चाहिए, है ना. Many people, मतलब like many people have been telling, Kalam ji also had been telling that before you want your dream to come true, the first thing which should happen is that you should have a dream. And you go to a ST stand or you go to a railway station or you go to an airport, you should first know ki where I want to go, है ना. Unless I have a dream, it won't be fulfilled. म्हणजे जोपर्यंत मला काही स्वप्न नाहीच आहे, say for example, I don't have any dream at all, like then like there is no possibility of that dream getting fulfilled. Some people come and ask me like आपको क्या करना है, मग तुम्ही सांगा काय करायचं. अभी मुझे क्या पता क्या करना है. You know what you want to do, and if you don't know what you want to do, then probably we cannot tell you, है ना. आप किसी को पूछेंगे कि यहाँ पे कैसे जाना है, तो वो पूछेंगे ना आपको जाना कहाँ पे, आपके कम से कम एड्रेस तो चाहिए कि मला इथं जायचं है. एड्रेस नहीं भी हो, आपको उस इंसान का नाम पता चाहिए, आपको कुछ तो मालूम चाहिए, तो आप किसी को पूछ सकते हैं. सो दिस इज व्हाट वी लेट टू नो. मतलब नहीं क्या, रीडिंग आल्सो इंस्पायर्स अस टू आस्क क्वेश्चंस. मतलब नहीं क्या, हु इज गोइंग टू आस्क अ क्वेश्चन, हु नोज समथिंग. आप बैठे हॉल में और आपसे कोई कुछ भी नहीं पूछ रहा. मतलब लेट अस व्हाट यू कॉल एज इनकलकेट this particular habit of reading in the memory of late Dr. Abdul Kalam ji, right? So Vachan Prerna Divas, or the reading inspiration day, let us try to understand what really reading is to us. Reading is not something which we are doing today. मतलब आप आज कर रहे हैं क्या reading? We are not doing reading today, come on. मतलब reading is something which we have been doing from so many years. मतलब नहीं क्या, probably we did not read much, मतलब but then we used to listen more. म्हणजे आपण वाचन जास्त केलं नाही, म्हणजे आपले ग्रंथ वगैरे पण असतील समजा, तर वी बिलीव्ड इन व्हॉट पीपल टोल्ड अस. मग जेव्हा लोक वाचायला लागले की अरे इन्होंने हमको क्या बोला, उसमें क्या लिखा था और एक्चुअल उसमें क्या लिखा है, जब आपने पढ़ना चालू किया तब आपको पता चला कि दे वर मिसगाइडिंग यू. So when you want a right direction, when you really want to know what exactly is happening, then this what you call as can be taken as one of the best examples that how reading has changed the way the humanity has been what you call as evolving, right? When we really started reading, most of the scriptures, most of the religious books, matlab, they were narrated to us. आपल्याला कोणीतरी येऊन सांगायचं. They never told us to go back and read it. You are getting my point. But what we believed is what they are saying is written, but when we went and read it, then the major revolutions it took place, है ना? How many of you, matlab, when there are so many bills passed or when there are so many rules passed, we just believe on what people said, but did we really go and find out ki what exactly is written in that particular bill? Matlab, that is probably because we have lost this particular habit of what is called as your reading. You know, it is said ki when you want a very good health, right, you go to a gym, right? When you want a really a good mindset, when you want to focus somewhere, what is really going to help is what is called as reading. Many people they say माझा ना focuses होत नाही. Any student you see, मतलब any student who is working on some competitive exams, any student who is working say आपका law पढ़ रहा है, any student say हमारा microbiology पढ़ रहा है, मेनी पीपल दे से की आमचं ना कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन होत नाही, आम्हाला ना विजन तयार होत नाही, मला ना असं आजूबाजूचं सगळं दिसतं, मला माझं ड्रीम दिसत नाही. What reading will do is reading will help you to make your own lens. Reading will help you to what you call as enlighten your mind in such a way that now you can really focus. I always say that focus has power. Many people I see, matlab, they do this, they do that, they do that, but they don't know what to do exactly. The energy is not focused, है ना? So that particular focus is inculcated in you when you read, है ना? So one of the primary thing which probably the reading will do to you is to what you call as focus. आपने बचपन में वो एक्सपेरिमेंट किया होगा ना, मतलब ती लाईट येते आणि मग तो असा ती कॉन्वेक्स लेन्स आपण घ्यायचो आणि मग ती लाईट रेज दे आर कन्वर्टेड अँड देन यू कीप इट ऑन वन पर्टिक्युलर paper and among that paper catches fire, and then we studied that there is a convergence of these particular rays. So आप पेपर वैसे ही रख दो धूप में, कुछ नहीं होगा, पर जब आपने वो लेंस लगाई, जब वो सारे फोकस हुए, तब वो जल गया. काम कब हुआ? काम कब हुआ? जब एवरीथिंग वॉज फोकस्ड. जिंदगी में भी आपका काम कब होगा? when you are focused. And what will help you to be focused in your life is your reading, है ना? So reading will help you. आपको पढ़ना ही पड़ेगा ना. आप अगर एक चीज पढ़ रहे हैं, if you are not focused in that, are you going to really understand what is written in there? So obviously the answer is no. So जब आप चीज 2 बार करेंगे, 4 बार करेंगे, 5 बार करेंगे, 6 बार करेंगे ना, इट विल बिकम योर हैबिट. और एक बार आपने पढ़ने में आपका फोकस आना चालू हो गया, पढ़ने में आपका फोकस आना चालू हो गया, तो लाइफ में भी फोकस आना चालू हो जाएगा. आप याद रखो. मतलब मेनी पीपल दे टेल मी आई एम डूइंग दिस डिग्री ओनली फॉर द नेम पर्पस एंड एक्चुअली आई वांट टू डू दिस. आई एम डूइंग दिस ओनली फॉर द नेम पर्पस, एक्चुअली आई वांट टू डू दिस. बट व्हेन यू आर नॉट फोकस्ड एट वन पॉइंट, व्हेन यू आर नॉट फोकस्ड एट वन पॉइंट, what I personally believe is you cannot be focused at other point. Matlab, I have seen people who top in one area, they also top in the other, they also top in the third, they also top in the fourth, because they have the habit of what you call as being at the top. Then it doesn't matter where they are and what they are doing. So this is what reading is going to do. Reading is going to what you call as increase your focus. Reading is what is going to what you call as take you to the world of what you call as imagination and help you to focus, help you to what you call as ये इधर उधर घूमने से जो आपका माइंड डाइवर्ट होता है ना. बहुत बार लोग बोलते हैं, मतलब नहीं क्या, when I am sitting ना, माझ्या मनात खूप विचार येतात. Many people say, मतलब many thoughts creeping, many thoughts creeping, many thoughts creeping. अब many thoughts creep in my, I always ask one question, मतलब from where? Thoughts don't creep in from anywhere. कहाँ से आते हैं? मतलब आप कभी खुद को पूछो. मतलब लोग ऐसे बोलते हैं, मला ना खूप वेगवेगळे विचार येतात इन मराठी देसे. इन हिंदी दे विल से कि मुझे बहुत अलग अलग ख्याल आते. कहाँ से आते भाई? कहाँ से आते? आते नहीं, आप करते. इट इज एन थिंग विच यू डू. You think your mind is controlling you or you are controlling your mind. मतलब what should actually happen? मतलब अभी क्या हो रहा है वो छोड़ दो. Except Ajay sir and staff, I would rather like some students to answer when I am asking. आपको क्या लगता है कि आपके माइंड ने आपको कंट्रोल करना चाहिए, आपने आपके माइंड को कंट्रोल करना चाहिए? व्हॉट यू थिंक? म्हणजे आपण आपल्या माइंडला कंट्रोल केलं पाहिजे का आपल्या माइंडने आपल्याला कंट्रोल केलं पाहिजे? व्हॉट यू थिंक? हू शुड कंट्रोल whom? Yes, please. Any one of you there? Please don't sleep. Huh. Yes, anyone? Yes.
आपल्याला कंट्रोल केलं.
हा, नाही, आपण आपल्या माइंडला का माइंडने आपल्याला? व्हॉट डू यू थिंक?
Sir, I feel we should control our mind.
मतलब we
Yes, sir.
feel, yes, we feel that we should control our mind, but then we know that this does not happen most of the times. मतलब most of the times we flow with the mind. मतलब we are not focused, and everything whatever is coming into my mind, I just keep on flowing, and then you start thinking, Arey, what rubbish I'm thinking, what rubbish I'm thinking. मतलब this is what is going out of focus. So what reading will help you? Reading will help you to what you call as focus. Remember, what you are focusing on will decide your reality. I tell you, there are many people मतलब who focus only on good things. आपके साथ आपके लाइफ में भी ऐसे बहुत लोग होंगे कि जो दूसरों के साथ बहुत बुरे पर आपके साथ बहुत अच्छे हैं। मतलब या फिर ऐसे भी कोई लोग होंगे जो सबके साथ बहुत अच्छे हैं पर आपके साथ ही क्या मालूम क्या प्रॉब्लम है। मतलब ऐसा होता का नहीं, ऐसा होता है या नहीं? यस और नो?
Yes.
हाँ, नहीं बहुत बार होता है ऐसा। मतलब नहीं क्या, तो why these things happen? Because probably you are focusing on that particular point. मतलब many people believe that everyone in Pune is not so good probably, but then when you enter the Pune, you always meet some people who are not really good with you. But some when comes with a clean heart and he feels that no, everything is good and I am good, so all are good. Probably everything good comes into their life. So what you are focusing on is going to determine your reality. कल मैंने अगर आपको बोल दिया कि आप जो सोचने वाले वो कल सब सच होने वाला है, आर यू रेडी टू एक्सेप्ट दैट? मला सांगा, आपने अब कल आज और परसों वटेवर 2-3 दिनों से आपने दिमाग में जो जो सोचा है वो सब सच हो जाएंगे। आप उसको सामना करने के लिए आप रेडी है क्या? मुझे सच बताओ, येस और नो? वॉट एवर गुड बैड वॉट एवर इट मे बी, आर यू रियली रेडी टू फेस वॉट एवर यू हैड थॉट ऑल दीज डेज? येस और नो?
No, sir.
No, no. Yes, obviously it is a no, because we didn't focus on anything. You're getting my point? Because it was so absurd that now we ourselves are not ready to accept it. So therefore, let us try to develop our this focus by reading. Let us do that. A simple thing which you can do is just go on reading. Matlab, it is so simple, as simple hai na? You are going to get in your life what you focus on, remember. And who is going to develop your this focus? It is your reading. सो आप याद रखो, आप जिस बारे में ज्यादा सोचते हैं ना, वही चीजें आपके साथ होती है। देखो, आप कितने बार ऐसे होता है कि आप किसी को बोलते हैं कि ये भी ऐसा बोलेगा, ये भी वैसा करेगा, ये भी ऐसे होगा, ये भी वैसे होगा, और फिर वैसे ही हो जाता है, और फिर बाद में आप बोलते हैं आई हैड टोल्ड दैट दिस इज गोइंग टू हैपन दिस वे। यस और नो? होता है या नहीं?
Yes.
हाँ, yes. So you were so strong, you were so focused on that particular thing that you really at that point of time thought that this should happen, and it happened. So let us try to develop our focus. And who is going to develop our focus? It is my reading. When you are reading a particular, say, a novel, or say a detective story or anything one like that, there is some central character in that. There is some central character where again and again the focus goes. And even in the movies or TV serials which you see, there is one central character. Like if I talk about Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma, the one person which will come into your mind first is who?
Jetala.
जेठालाल। ऑब्वियसली, राइट? तो एवरीथिंग इज बीइंग फोकस, मतलब घूम फिर के सबकी जो चीजें होंगी ना वो वहीं पे आ जाएंगी। तो देखो, वो एक इतना बड़ा, इतने सालों का सीरियल भी वो फोकस के बिना नहीं चल रहा। मतलब एक जगह फोकस है उनका, वो कभी इधर उधर 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 होते हैं पर वापस फोकस की तरफ आते ही है। तो वैसे you need to understand that it is a focus in my life which is going to decide that what is going to happen in my life or not. And if it is this simple thing which is going to decide what is going to happen in my life or not, should I not try to develop a focus in my life? And why not do it by a simple process of what is called as reading? है ना? आप जो पढ़ने वाले उसका जो सेंट्रल कैरेक्टर है उस स्टोरी का होगा या व्हाटएवर कोई कॉन्सेप्ट होगा, उसके सेंट्रली सब कुछ घूमते रहता है। So that helps you to develop what is called as your focus, right? So you know, मतलब नहीं क्या, what is to be done and what is not to be done, and that is what is called as focusing. There are so many things which probably when you avoid ना, मुझे ये नहीं करना है, ये नहीं करना है, ये नहीं करना है, तो आपको समझ में आता है आपको करना क्या है। Many of the times focus can be developed in that way also. Many people don't come to a conclusion कि exactly what they want to do. I just tell them, you just decide what you don't want to do. Then they tell me, sir, कुछ भी हो जाए मुझे ये तो नहीं करना है, चल ये कट हुआ, अब मुझे ये नहीं करना है, चल ये कट हुआ। तो focusing is not always like focusing on what you want. Sometimes it may be like deciding and cutting what you don't want. So obviously you reach your target and you know now where you are going, right? So that is something what you call as focusing. It does what reading does is it gives you a creativity. है ना. You can just what you call as create your own world, है ना. आप जब पढ़ रहे हैं तो आपके दिमाग में पूरी दुनिया है. आप सोचो, आपको खुद को ये बनाना है, आपको खुद को ये पेंट करना है. आपको समझ में आ रही बात. जब आप कोई मूवी देख रहे हैं ना, you don't have to do much. When you are watching a movie, probably you are seeing that character in front of you. Do you really imagine something about that? I don't think मतलब very much. They don't keep anything for imagination. मतलब मैं probably आपने जो imagine किया था उससे ज्यादा ही वो उधर सब दिखा देते. तो आपके दिमाग को ज्यादा कुछ काम रहता नहीं है. वो दिख रहा है, आप देख रहे हैं और आप एंजॉय कर रहे हैं. बट रीडिंग क्या करेगा? Reading will give you and what you call as, say when you read that there was a Ravana with 10 faces और आपने कभी देखा ही नहीं है, now your mind it will start imagining and creating. It gives you a creativity which probably you will never ever get from any other aspect. So what reading does, it gives you the power to imagine. I tell you that this is the power which has changed the world. I tell you, मतलब whatever we are observing today, whatever is happening today was in someone's imagination sometime, है ना. Someone somewhere must have imagined कि अरे यार लोग वहां पे दूर है तो हम उनसे बात कैसे करेंगे. तो दे डिस्कवर्ड टेलीफोन. वो वहां पे दूर है तो हम उनको देखेंगे कैसा. मेरे पास एक डॉक्यूमेंट है, मैं उनके पास भेजूंगा कैसे. So when I wanted to do this, probably what I tried to do is I imagine. है ना, लोग बोलते हैं ना, just imagine, just imagine, just imagine. Nowadays you will find people have lost this particular power of what is called as imagination. And I tell you, your imagination is something which is attracting what is coming to you. तुमच्याकडे काय आहे आणि काय नाही ना, हे पहिले तुमच्या कशामध्ये असतं, इमॅजिनेशन. आपने जैसे जैसे दुनिया इमेजिन की है, आपने जैसे जैसे लोग इमेजिन किए, आपने जैसे जैसे सिचुएशंस इमेजिन किए, दे आर कमिंग इनटू योर लाइफ. ऐसा कितनी बार हुआ है, खुद को पूछो आप, कि you are in a party or you are home alone or you are in particular situation. ऐसे एक ऐसी कोई तो जगह है, you are meeting some people, all you are meeting for the first time, but then you are in a situation where somehow somewhere आपने कभी किसको बोला नहीं, but you feel like this has already happened. मतलब नहीं क्या, this has already happened. मतलब the same scene has like taken place. It is like a retake of the same scene. ऐसा ऐसा कभी किसी के साथ हुआ आहे, कोणाबरोबर असं झालंय की एखाद्या सिच्युएशन मध्ये तुम्ही आहात, कोणीतरी तुमच्याशी काहीतरी बोलते, तुम्ही काहीतरी बोलताय, किंवा तुम्ही पडलायत, किंवा तुम्ही हॉस्पिटलमध्ये, किंवा तुम्ही पार्टीमध्ये आहात, एनीवेअर समवेअर यू आर डुईंग, and you somewhere on the back of the mind you are like, अरे this has happened already. मतलब this is second time this is happening. मतलब ऐसा कभी हुआ है क्या? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Anyone else? Probably MD sir has a lot of imagination. Anyone else sleeping there? मतलब all of you are sleeping there. Hello, you all are sleeping over there. Yes or no?
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir.
Here, sir. Present.
No. तो except Bhavya and MD. Anyone else there? असं कधी झालंय का तुमच्या लाईफ मध्ये काही होतच नाहीये सध्या? ऑनलाईन मुळे काय झालं, लोकांच्या लाईफ मध्ये काय होईना पण हॅपनिंग. पीपल आर नथिंग इज हॅपनिंग इन देयर लाईफ प्रॉब्ली.
Yes, sir.
It happens. It happens. So very good, very good. So probably whatever is happening, whatever is coming has first come into my imagination, and once it comes into my imagination, then it comes to the reality. And what you call as develops this imagination is your reading, right? How much you know is not that much important than how much you imagine. आप वो लोग बोलते हैं ना, जैसे दूर की सोचो, दूर की. जो लोगों ने जितने भी बड़े बड़े काम किए या कांड किए, वॉट एवर, राइट, दे ऑल हैड इमेजिन्ड इट फर्स्ट. हम ऐसा करेंगे. आप कहीं पे जाते तो आप पहिले इमॅजिन करते ना, मी असं जाईल, तसं जाईल, मग मी तसा फोटो काढेल आणि मग तो फोटो तसा दिसेल, मग मी तो इन्स्टाला अपलोड करेल, मग मी तो फेसबुकला अपलोड करेल, मग लोक त्याच्यावर असे कमेंट येतील, आणि असं सगळं आपण बोलत असतो. येस ऑर नो?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, thank you. And let me tell you one more thing. For most of the questions which I'll be asking for next 15-20 minutes, the answer is going to be yes. So please don't think much. मतलब नहीं क्या, you just say yes. If it is a no, I will tell you first only that it is no. So don't bother. झोपेत जरी असले, if you didn't listen what I said and I am asking yes or no, तो you bin धड़क yes बोल दो. Most of the times it is going to be yes only. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, thank you so much. So what I was saying is ki how much intelligent you are is not only based on how much knowledge you have. It is based on like how is your imagination, and what gives you this imagination is your reading. When you read books, when you go through the references, you try to imagine what must have happened, what must have happened. When there are volumes of the stories, when they come, you start creating in our mind. You see, both bar you see some of you must have observed that Nobita and Doraemon and all. तो यू सी देयर द जियान, मतलब वो हमेशा जो मार्केट में नई क्या आती है जो नोबिता से या सुनियो से हमेशा छीनते रहता है,
Comic book.
comic book. So there also the comic book ends at one stage, and now people start imagining like what must have happened in the next stage. And that is what reading it inculcates in us, right? It inculcates, it helps us to imagine. So that is what reading it does. Reading, what another thing it might be doing, it will increase your क्या लिखा है वहाँ पे vocabulary, right? The power of your words, है ना? Many of the times people get confused कि अभी यहाँ पे क्या बात करना है, क्या बोलना है, इसको क्या बोलते हैं और उसको क्या बोलते हैं. तो if you read, probably that increases your vocabulary. You now have new words, you now have probably new examples. And you remember when we were very small, so that time suppose if we are asked to write a essay on a tree or essay on the environment, then if it is in Marathi, so वृक्षवल्ली आम्हा सोयरी वनचरे, and then people used to, अरे वाह 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 वाह, काय भारी लिहिलंय, मतलब नहीं क्या. If you are like talking somewhere, or if you are orating something, or if you are discussing something, and if you immediately give an example of something which was given, which happened in Ramayana, something which happened in Mahabharata, or something which is written in some say IUCN, International Union of Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources, a red data book, you have read that. तर that gives power. Matlab, you see, when we used to write essay, or when you used to write some things, if we quote some lines, or if we like give some lines of the poem, or if we write something of the saints, we were really appreciated in our schools. Matlab, yes or no? झूठ मत बोलो. क्या कभी लिखा ही नहीं तुमने, ऐसे ही लिखा नहीं, मतलब कभी you used to write essay writing होता का तुम्हारा when you were in schools? Did you have essay writing or
Yes, sir.
letter writings and all those things?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ. तो जब आप ये सब एग्जांपल्स देते थे, तो योर टीचर्स प्रॉब्ली माइट बी हैप्पी. मतलब का तुम्हाला तुमचे टीचर बोलायचे नाही म्हणजे, आय डोंट नो. ऑब्विसली, बट सपोज यू आर रायटिंग, तुम्हाला एखादी ओळ वगैरे तशी आठवली आणि तुम्ही ती लिहिली, तर तुम्हाला तुमचं तुमचं तरी भारी वाटायचं का नाही? येस और नो?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
So that it really, what you call as increases. It increases your vocabulary, it increases your words, it increases like what you're going to say where. So that is really important. I tell you, many of the times we really don't get the right words at the right time. So if I really want some good words at the good time, I should go for what is called as your reading. And reading, it will develop my what is called as your vocabulary. It will develop my language. Many people they talk that I want to improve my English, I want to improve my Hindi, I want to improve my Marathi. Then what should I do? What should I do? Instead of going and asking so many people, like just go and read. If you can read preliminary things, go on what you call as to the next level. I'll suggest that please read something which you really understand. If you're finding something which is very difficult to understand, please don't read. है ना? जो आपको चीज बहुत डिफिकल्ट जा रही है करने में, वो करने में आपको इंटरेस्ट आएगा, मुझे बताओ. Yes or no? Here the answer is no. Yes or no?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, obviously no, right? So try to read something which you really enjoy. Try to read something which you really would be like easy to go with. Don't go for something which is very high-fi. ऐसा कोई तो बहुत बड़ा ऑथर है, कोई तो फॉरेन के ऑथर की कोई तो बुक ली और आपको समझ में तो कुछ भी आ रहा नहीं, just to show off like I am reading this book, I am reading this book, कड़ा ना कहीं, then probably it's not going to work. Probably whatever interest you had birds of breed developed for reading, that also will go. So try to read something less, probably then yes, you can like go on increasing the level of your reading, and the what you call as the some of the words which you don't understand, you can take help of the dictionary. And then कोण वापरता का आजकाल dictionary, people just Google it, and whatever it may be. But that is really going to increase your vocabulary. That will increase the way in which you communicate with the people. One particular basic aspect which we all lag behind is what is called as communication. Many people don't know where to use which word. मतलब लोग दोपहर को मेरे को पूछते तुम्हें डिनर केला का, रात को मेरे को पूछते तुम्हें लंच केला का. सिंपल थिंग, वेरी वेरी सिंपल थिंग, मतलब नहीं क्या. बट देन व्हाट हैपेंस इज कि वो अपना इंप्रेशन पे थोड़ा सा डाउन हो जाता ना. सो यू कैन इफेक्टिवली कम्युनिकेट if you have good knowledge. You are getting my point. So you started hearing first or you started speaking first? What do you think?
Hearing
Hearing.
first, sir.
Hearing first,
Hearing
right?
first.
Right. So whatever, like whenever there is a computer and you want some output from that, like it is the input which is first or it is output which is first?
Input.
Input, right, right. तो रीडिंग क्या है? रीडिंग इज एन इनपुट. आप क्या पढ़ रहे हैं ना, दैट इज गोइंग इनटू योर माइंड. आप क्या पढ़ रहे हैं ना, इट इज गोइंग इनटू योर माइंड. सो इट इज एन इनपुट. फिर आपके दिमाग में, जो मैंने शुरुआत किया था लेक्चर का, कि आपके दिमाग में अलग अलग थॉट्स आते, अलग अलग थॉट्स आते. आप बोलते आते, आते नहीं, आपने इनपुट वैसा दिया इसलिए आते, है ना. आप रात को कोई हॉरर मूवी देख के सो, आपको डर लगेगा, है ना. अभी मैं और ऐसे एग्जांपल्स दूंगा नहीं, मतलब बट देन यू नो that whatever is the input, you start feeling like that. आप कुछ खाने की डिश देखेंगे, आपको भूख लगेगी. मतलब this is something which is very natural. So you really need to make a choice at every step that what I am reading, है ना. तो जैसे हम बोलते हैं ना, बुरा मत देखो, बुरा मत सुनो, बुरा मत बोलो, सो बुरा मत पढ़ो, राइट. सो वी शुड नो, मतलब नहीं क्या, इट रियली helps to communicate. It really helps me in my exams. Surveys suggest that most of the students, they read only when there are exams. So I told him, I don't consider it as a reading habit. Matlab, that is something which you did because you wanted to. ते नाही केलं तर नापास होताल, मतलब that was the basic kind of idea. But then yes, you can say that if you have a reading habit, then probably when you are reading something from your textbooks, probably if you have a good reading habit, then your speed of reading would also be fast. So I remember people used to read, matlab, I also had some of my friends, we used to read. So I had a good reading habit that time. Let me confess that these days, due to my busy schedule, I really don't get much time to read. But then, yes, after the session, let us today pledge that we really find some time to read. We don't make reading a ritual. Let us make that reading a ritual. Let us decide that we are going to read. आप कैसे पूजा वगैरह आपको जब चाहिए तब करते क्या? आप क्या एक ठराविक टाइम पे करते, एक ठराविक जगह पे करते, एक ठराविक पद्धत से करते हैं? मतलब you do rituals like with all kinds of discipline, but when it comes to reading, probably you don't follow any kind of discipline, मतलब नहीं क्या, then probably it doesn't work. So let us make this reading also a ritual, है ना. तो क्या करेगा रीडिंग? अभी आपको और कुछ भी अगर इंपॉर्टेंट समझ में नहीं आ रही है, आपको लगता है यार ये मुझे करना नहीं है, आई वांट टू इमेजिन, आई वांट टू फोकस, आई वांट माय लाइफ टू बी हैप्पी, देन probably skip reading. But then still, uh, one more thing which probably may be interesting, maybe make your interest into it, is like if you keep on reading all the time, then probably it will be very easy for you to read your textbooks during your exams or read your notes during your exams. Then probably this seems to be more inspiring, है ना. तुम्हाला असं वाटेल की चला काहीतरी तर फायदा होईल, मी जर रोज थोडं थोडं वाचत असलो तर ऑब्विसली माझी वाचण्याची जी स्पीड, द वे हाउ आय रीड, द स्पीड ऑफ माय रीडिंग, my what you call as art of comprehension, what I'll say, it goes on what you call is increasing, है ना. So that really helps me during my exams. Many of the times when we are not used to reading, तर आय नो, मतलब मेनी पीपल वेन दे सजेस्ट की मला रात्री झोप येत नाही, और आय डोंट स्लीप एट नाईट, और आय जस्ट कॅनॉट स्लीप अँड आय गेट टू मच बोर्ड, देन पीपल से की पुस्तक वाच म्हणजे जरा झोप लागन. दॅट इज नॉट अन what you call as advantage of reading. One person was telling me the advantage of reading is that you sleep very well. Sleep very well in what? Like if your mind is satisfied, then probably you sleep. That does not mean that you read a book and then you go to sleep. Matlab, it is not like that. So probably this will not happen. म्हणजे हे कधी होणार नाही when you are reading on a regular basis. So if you are reading on a regular basis, then probably reading in an exam would be very easy. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
right, right. Reading during the examinations, I told, matlab, it would be really, really easy. So if anything not else is not motivating you to read, then please, please, please remember this thing, that if you are having a good habit of reading, it is really going to help in your exams, any damn kind of exams, matlab, any exams which you are giving. It may be your regular exams of your law or microbiology or what you call as your other stuff. But then it is really, really going to help. Matlab, nahi kya? When we talk about exercise, we generally talk about gym and all. People are nowadays very much cautious about that. म्हणजे people are very cautious what to eat, what not to eat, how many calories it has, and whether it is fried or not, which was not earlier. मतलब पहले आप देखो, people were not much bothered about what they are eating probably. म्हणजे आता खूप bothered आहे. तुम्हाला काय वाटतं? मतलब earlier people were not bothered so much कि इसमें कार्बोहाइड्रेट कितना है, इसमें प्रोटीन कितना है, इसमें फैट कितना है. You go some 50 years back, did our grandmothers, great grandmothers really count how many calories it had? Yes or no?
No, sir.
No, they never did that, right? But then they were free, their mind was free, and obviously their bodies were, matlab, we are nowadays so much what you call as considerate about what we are eating, but then still you find that we suffer from so many kinds of diseases, probably because we kept on exercising. Yes, we went to the gyms, we did all those zumba dances. It's good, matlab, I'm not against them. Yes, physical fitness is really important. Yesterday only I was having a discussion, I should at least go for a walk. But then what exercise does to your body is what reading will do to your mind. आपके दिमाग को भी तो चाहिए ना कुछ, तो है ना? कोई भी चीज जब आप करने की सोचते, तो पहले सोचते फिर करते, कि पहले करते फिर सोचते? मतलब आइडियली व्हाट शुड हैपन? मतलब
पहले
पहले
सोचते हैं,
सोचते हैं, सर.
हाँ हाँ, पहले सोचना चाहिए, मतलब है ना? अगर आप सोचते तो अच्छी बात है. तो पहले पहले सोचना चाहिए और फिर करना चाहिए. तो सोचने का काम कौन करने वाला है? आपका दिमाग करने वाला है. जैसे आपकी बॉडी अगर फिट है, तो वो बैठ के कुछ काम कर सकती है ना. इफ यू आर इन ऑफिस, लाइक इफ यू आर टाइपिंग समथिंग, और सपोज लाइब्रेरी में इफ यू हैव टू टेक बुक्स फ्रॉम हियर एंड देयर, और आपका पेट में दर्द है, तो आप वो काम कर सकेंगे क्या इजीली? यस और नो? द आंसर इज नो.
No, sir.
ऑब्वियसली नो, राइट? तो वैसे आप सोचो कि अगर आपकी बॉडी बीमार है, इफ यू आर लाइक फिजिकल बीइंग विच इज देयर, दैट इज इल, it cannot give its 100%, then is your mind when it is ill, can it take right decisions? Yes or no? When the mind
No.
No,
is
sir.
no, right? So let us try to keep our mind also fit. मतलब I told, let us try to give that mind also exercise, है ना? अभी लॉकडाउन में कैसे हम सब एक जगह पे बैठे, तो हम बोलते हैं अरे चलो भागो, इधर जाओ उधर जाओ, कुछ तो हिलो डुलो, कुछ तो तुम्हारे बॉडी को एक्सरसाइज दो. तो वैसे आपने अपने दिमाग को क्या एक्सरसाइज दिया है? आपको जो दिखाया जा रहा है आप देख रहे हैं, आपको इमेजिनेशन के लिए कुछ रखा ही नहीं है, आपको सब बताते जा रहे हैं, आपको कोई क्वेश्चंस नहीं है. तो रीडिंग, I tell you, is one of the very good exercises, मतलब नहीं क्या, which increases your brain power. So आप बचपन से लेके तो अभी तक आपको अगर कुछ अच्छा करना है ना, तो I tell you, मतलब there is nothing best than reading. Reading can really what you call as do that. मतलब नहीं क्या, when you read, your brain it really cannot make a distinction about what is the reality and what is actually. You make photos in our minds. मतलब मैंने आपको बोला ना, ऐसे someone is describing, someone is narrating, or if you are reading that there is a garden, there is a this, there is a that, it starts coming into your mind, so your brain is being churned, है ना? और आपके दिमाग की पूरी ऐसे नसें निचोड़ के पूरी एक्सरसाइज हो रही है अंदर. ये तो क्या तुमच्या लक्षात? You feel that that person is with you, you feel one with that particular person, and you may probably learn new words, you may learn new languages, and then your brain is under a very, very good exercise. So what I told, matlab nahi kya, these are the basic things which happen to your mind when you are reading. Matlab one of the basic advantages told that reading, it really develops what is called as cognition. मतलब आपकी जो ग्रे मैटर व्हाइट मैटर है, तो आपका व्हाइट मैटर को बहुत डेवलप करेगा, और आपका कॉग्निटिव एबिलिटीज, थिंकिंग एबिलिटीज, जजिंग एबिलिटीज, it really what you call is increases. I already told that it also sharpens your memory. I told now exam में आपको help करेंगे. It helps you to be aware, है ना? It helps you to have a strong emotional attachment, right? It helps you to increase your vocabulary. So many things मतलब are done by what is called as your रीडिंग, बट देन कितने दिल से किया आपने रीडिंग उसके ऊपर भी हो. किसी को खुश करने को मत करो, मतलब प्लीज डोंट डू दैट. एक कुकरे सर म्हटले, कावळे सर म्हटले, someone told, and then you went and read few books and you celebrated it. These events are something which you remind you of something. You're getting my point. They are not only for that one day. It reminds us that you have to do this all the time. You know, you there are some festivals, they remind us that we have to be happy. It doesn't mean that we have to be happy only during a Diwali or only during a Holi or only during say, Eid or only during Christmas. It is a remembrance that yes, you have to be happy always. We do pujas and all, matlab, you offer prayers, so they remind us that you have to do this every day. So this is what the reading inspiration does, matlab nahi kya. If we are reminding you that you have to do this every day, matlab this is the knowledge hub, matlab what you can do and what you cannot do is in your imagination. You decide. आपको बहुत बार ऐसा लगता है ना, आप आपको मैंने एक बहुत बड़ी बुक दी और मैंने आपको बोला ये 10 दिन में करना, कसं होईल ते, दैट्स नॉट पॉसिबल. मतलब हु डिसाइडेड दैट, who decided that a particular thing is not possible? Who decides?
Our mind.
Our mind, right? We ourselves decide. So we decide our limitations, what is going to happen and what is not going to happen, right? So लेट अस गेट इंस्पायर्ड. आप लोगों की बायोग्राफीज पढ़ो. आप बड़े बड़े जो से बिजनेसमैन है या पॉलिटिशियंस है या फ्रीडम फाइटर्स है या साइंटिस्ट है, आप उनकी लाइफ के बारे में पढ़ो. आपको पता चलेगा कि दे ऑल्सो वेंट थ्रू सो मच ऑफ अप्स एंड डाउन्स इन their life. So that gives you an inspiration. Sometimes a book is something which will really inspire you and it will change your entire way how you live, right? The right book is really a right inspiration, I tell you. Matlab, there are so many books which really inspire us. They just cannot go down. They are your best friends, matlab nahi kya. So why not go for that? Why not go for this? Matlab, what other things people say कि reading does is कि it is like exercising your brain. So दूसरी एक खुश खबर ऐसी दे सकते हैं कि अगर आप अपने ब्रेन की कंटिन्यूस एक्सरसाइजेस करें तो ये डिमेंशिया, अल्जाइमर्स, ऐसे जो डिजीज है जो न्यूरॉन्स को अगर अफेक्ट करते प्रॉब्ली आपको नहीं होंगे. असं करून करून असंच डोकं बधीर झालंय है ना. तो वाय नॉट लाईक exercise my brain. Matlab, we do so much of physical exercises that nothing should happen to my heart. We drink so much of water, let me drink some, that nothing should happen to our kidneys, right? Do we really do something to control our brain, control our mind? Probably no. So in future अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि डेमेंशिया मुझे ना हो, मैं बोल ही ना पाऊँ, मैं चल ही ना पाऊँ, मतलब नहीं क्या, रोज की मेरी एक्टिविटीज लाइक बाथिंग, ड्रेसिंग, ईटिंग भी मैं ना कर पाऊँ, मेरे फेशियल एक्सप्रेशंस भी अच्छे ना हो. इफ आई डोंट वांट ऑल दिस, लेट मी एक्सरसाइज माय ब्रेन विद दिस सिंपल हैबिट ऑफ व्हाट इज कॉल्ड एज योर रीडिंग. तो आई टोल्ड, मतलब डिमेंशिया कैन बी एनीथिंग. मतलब आपका परसेप्शन ठीक नहीं, आपका रीजनिंग ठीक नहीं, आपकी जजमेंट ठीक नहीं, आपकी मेमोरी, लैंग्वेज, अटेंशन. You want to keep all this at right place. We don't want to lose it very early. So if you don't want to do that, then please go back and read. Reading, it helps us to develop patience, which we have totally lost, I personally believe. आप देखो, nowadays people, they have become impatient in this today's internet world. आप 5 मिनट बफर हो तो डर 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 डर, वो जितना डर डर नहीं होगा ना, उतना अंदर डर डर होता है आपके, है ना. आप किसी को मैसेज भेजो, you just keep on looking that one tick should become a two tick should become a double tick, that double tick should become a blue tick, and then the person above should be typing. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Please tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Others probably don't agree with that. Huh? Yes or no? असं होतं का नाही? When you are sending a message to someone, you are impatient that it should happen immediately. और आप किसी को कुछ काम बोलो कि अरे बॉस, just do that, go there and bring me a glass of water. आप उसको 1 मिनट मत जाने दो. देखो, आप बैठ ही नहीं सकते. तुला कळत नहीं, मैंने तुमको बोला था अभी पानी लेके, और अभी तुम इधर ही बैठे, तुमको समझ में आते कि नहीं? You impatient. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Others probably they are becoming patient in listening my session only. So reading, it really what you call as develop patience. क्योंकि लाइन टू लाइन आने वाली है ना, आपको समझ में आ रही बात, ऐसा नहीं होने वाला डुस 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 डुस, नेक्स्ट क्या हुआ पढ़ने के लिए आपको और पढ़ना पड़ेगा. So that it really what you call as develops, and most of the wars which have been won, matlab, they are won because of patience. And Sai Baba used to say Shraddha and Saburi, wait and watch. Kabir Das has also said कि धीरे धीरे रे मना धीरे से सब होए, माली सींचे 100 गड़ा ऋतु आए फल होए, है ना. So things will happen at the proper time. Matlab, this is the say crux of this particular doha, and what develops patience in us is reading. Because ऐसे तो एक लाइन पढ़ेंगे तो दूसरी पढ़ेंगे तो तीसरी पढ़ेंगे तो आगे पढ़ेंगे, पहली पढ़ के लास्ट पढ़ेंगे तो कुछ समझेगा कि आपको. द आंसर इज नो. So patience, I tell you, one of the greatest virtues which is really missing in today's generation, I tell you, that is developed because of reading. Matlab, people suffer from different kinds of stresses. One of the way to combat these stresses is please go and read something. Some people will like to combat the stress. Now they will put on the DJ and they'll close their rooms and they'll go and sit somewhere. Don't do these rubbish things. Just go and read a good book. Just go and read an inspiring book. You can go and read something which is like comedy का कुछ होगा तो आप वो पढ़ो. मतलब simple, very very most simple, inexpensive, किसी चीज की जरूरत नहीं, किसी और इंसान की जरूरत नहीं. That is what is called as leading. It helps you to slow down, it helps you to relax, and it helps you to remove entire stress of your body. So one of the basic mechanism of de-stressing yourself is by losing yourself in a book. So try to find some book which is really going to de-stress. One of the greatest way people have told to de-stress yourself is to read a book. आपला उलट होतं म्हणजे we get stressed when we read. It's not like that, but we have to like improve, we have to evolve, we have to achieve, we have to innovate, we have to like achieve youth success. मतलब life is short. मतलब नहीं है. कबीर दास has also told that कल करे सो आज कर, आज करे सो अब पल में परलय होएगी, बहुरी करेगा कब. So let us like today develop this habit of reading. Let us try to explore life. Let us try to explore our dreams, and that is only possible through reading. मतलब, let us try to get our own point of view. मतलब, earlier we never had our own point. When we were kids, probably whatever we were told, we believed. मतलब आपको किसी ने बोला कि तिकडे भाऊ आहे, मग तिकडे जाऊ नको, मग you never went there, right? But when you started reading, realizing, then you had your own point of views. You know, what is important is your own point of view. What is important is knowing yourself. There is nothing better in the entire world than knowing yourself. So let us know ourselves, and uh, probably reading will help you to do that. You know, reading will help you to introspect. Other things are actually going outside, but reading will take you inside. Let us go inside. Let us flow the energy from inside to outside rather than from coming from outside to inside. And what do you think, that you should be in control or you should be controlled? म्हणजे what do you think? म्हणजे तुम्ही कंट्रोल मध्ये पाहिजे का तुमच्या हातात कंट्रोल पाहिजे? म्हणजे टीव्हीचा रिमोट तुमच्या हातात पाहिजे का रिमोट टीव्ही कडे तुमचा रिमोट पाहिजे? म्हणजे व्हॉट डू यू थिंक? Yes, you should be having the remote control of your life, or others should be having the remote control of your
No,
life?
sir.
We should
We
have.
should have.
No, you should have. So that will happen only when you know yourself. You know, you want to know people, you want to know others without knowing yourself. Matlab, it's not possible. And to know yourself, I tell you, it is reading which will really really help you to know yourself. And I tell you, it is so important to know yourself. Many of the times we forget this. We are talking to so many people all around that we don't talk much to ourselves. So that's not good actually. Matlab, so therefore let us try to know ourselves. Let us try to know ourselves bit by bit, and let us try to give a roadmap to our life. Matlab, many of the times we don't know like why we are living and what is happening. Probably some of the answers or roadmaps to the life may be given by reading. So yes, let us on this particular day decide and pledge that yes, we'll be what you call as reading more, and we'll be knowing ourselves more. Let us try to inculcate. I told, let us try to um, form this as a हैबिट है ना. आई टोल्ड, लेट अस सेट अ टाइम कि मैं सुबह रोज 4 से 5, सुबह 4 से 5 आप उठते ही नहीं, कि शाम को 5 से 6, anything, like let us try to find a good place, let us try to find a place which is comfortable, let us try to increase our concentration, let us try to set some goals ki in these days I'll read these many books. Probably we are losing this culture. Matlab at home there is no reading culture, probably therefore people are not reading. Matlab Ajay sir is there, but then I'm sorry to say many they do not provide good library facilities. Sometimes students complain that the people in the library they are not cooperative. पण असं होत असेल असं आता असं मला वाटत नाही, because nowadays the people in the library they feel that someone should come and take the book. I suggest you all ki you can like have some competitions related to reading. You can select some bestsellers, some or any kind of a book where the students can read. You can organize a quiz competition. Sometimes you can motivate your staff to do that. You can have a library week. You can have a book day. Probably I can help you out in that. Probably त्यानिमित्ताने मी पण वाचेल. And then let us have some quiz competitions. You know, there are some people who are poor who just cannot afford some books, but then yes, we can. So let us go and do that. Right? It's not very difficult, and it's not something which is like impossible. It is something which is really possible. So let us try to map our life out, and let us try to explore this particular aspect of reading. uh, we all again are missing our colleges, and we all think that something good is going to come in, and colleges are now going to start offline again. So we all are really waiting for the college to start offline. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Matlab, I only hope that you all are also waiting. Matlab, actually, I am to waiting. I don't know about you all, but then we all are waiting for the colleges to start offline. So, yes, let us revise our memories of the college and come up to this offline session of this. But just a second, just give me a second. Yes, the screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
धीरे धीरे सब अनलॉक हो रहा है, कहीं और कभी कॉलेज का भी जिक्र हो रहा है। नाम सुनते ही एक उमंग की लहर उठती है सीने में। उस चाय की महक और दोस्तों के बिन मजा ही क्या है जीने में। वो आंखों के इशारे और असाइनमेंट के मारे, वो रोज नया नखरा और आईने से पूछना मैं कैसा लग रहा। लेक्चर में वो शांति, लास्ट बेंचर्स की उसमें क्रांति, नोट्स का झमेला, जर्नल्स और कंप्लीशन का मेला, वो तेरी भाभी और वो हमारी जीजा। फिर आएगी वो सुबह, हॉस्टल में जगेंगे, यारों के बर्थडे पर फिर धमाल मचा देंगे। लेक्चर भी होंगे और लेक्चर बंक भी होंगे, उस ऑफ लेक्चर में नए नए रंग भी होंगे। फिर मिलेंगे अपने प्रोफेसर से, कुछ ज्ञान दान भी लेंगे, वो डांट भी सुनेंगे और पनिशमेंट भी लेंगे। उस चाय की टपरी पर चुस्की ले लेकर एक के बाद एक चाय भी होगी। किसी किसी की फिर कॉफी की डिमांड भी होगी। आज की पार्टी कौन देगा ये सवाल भी होगा। वो फेस वॉश, पाउडर सब कुछ फिर इस्तेमाल भी होगा। अनलॉक होगा फिर कॉलेज भी खुलेगा, मेरा ये मुरझाया दिल फिर से खिलेगा।
Yes, so thank you so much once again. If there are any questions, we can take them. matlab, If there are any questions regarding the same. So I take this opportunity to thank the principal of Dr. D.Y. Patil Unitech Societies, D.Y. Patil Law College, Pimpri, vice principal, all the coordinating staff, Dr. Lakshman Brahmanawar sir and Mr. Ajay Kavade sir for like suggesting my name for this particular session. But yes, if there are any questions, we can surely take. I also thank Bhavya for anchoring this, Ajay sir for this, and ma'am for the session today. Yes. Any questions there? At least one question. There are around 38 people there. Yes, please. Probably Ajay sir, you should look into the matter that how we can improve the reading skills of the students. And I also tell you that this is not something which is happening with you. This is something which is happening globally. So we should really work on these things. People nowadays, even students for notes also, they rely on photographs and PDFs. They are all in their mobiles. They don't read anything, sir. Even from there. When I was reading about reading, so people were telling ki it has gone into the electronic media and people nowadays are not reading books and they are reading from the electronic media. I personally don't feel ki they are reading from the electronic media. They don't read. They only see. Because of these online things, what has happened is ki so much of animations and other things have come up. They are being bombarded with us to us so much that we really are not able to create our own world. So we really need to what you call as let this into the work. I really want one or two questions. Come on, matlab, otherwise to kya? Otherwise, Ajay sir, you will only have to ask one or two questions if no one is asking. Yes, one or two questions. There are so many people. Are all of you sleeping there? Yes or no?
No, sir.
Please. So
No,
please,
sir.
please. Thank you so much. So at least one question I can expect from 30 graduate students. 8 might be staff members. I might be one of them. 7 might be staff members. We have around 30 students there who are in their graduation or post graduation. I don't want to bother you all, पण प्रश्न विचारा ना राव. मग त्यासाठी पण reading लागतं मग असे. मग this shows that you are not reading. Yes, please.
Sir, yes, sir. So, sir, you explain in such a way that that I don't. There's a question for the students because he
sir.
made them to be so inspired that I feel so, sir. Because
I don't agree.
I don't think so. There is a question, sir.
But there should be.
I really agree with this because so it's really wonderful. Like I really appreciate you, sir. How nicely you told about thinking and focusing, imagination, and know about yourselves. So what else which is I mean required to say, sir? So what doubt which will be there in the mind of the people? Those who are not reading, they will never read, sir. At least they will inspire to read now. So that's what I feel, sir.
Let us hope so.
Yes, sir. Definitely. So we will move ahead, I hope.
Yes,
Bhavya, so you can proceed.
Thank you for your kind words, sir, and it was a great session. Now I would like to request Professor Lakshman Brahmanawar, sir, to address the vote of thanks.
Yes. Thank you so much, Bhavya. And by your inspiring word itself, I understood that you referred a lot for APJ Abdul Kalam in this particular moment. And let me proceed to say a few words with respect to our vote of thanks. First and foremost is that our college management always encouraging us to engage so much programs for the benefit of the students. And secondly, it's really, I am very much privileged and happy to, say thanks for our principal ma'am. And yesterday, day before yesterday, I myself saw in my eyes where ma'am brought nearly about 4 to 5 books from her mini library to really, sir, so I felt so this thing, about ma'am's reading habit, and none of us, we are, including me, sir, so we never thought of bring some books or something like that. But ma'am, she brought books and she gave also to read for us. And she told, let us engage, exchange the books, and we will exchange our views with respect to a particular book Sir, we are in such an environment wherein which ma'am is so encouraging with respect to an reading aspect is concerned. And if I'm wrong, sorry, sir, I am, lack in, say something about our Ajay sir. So Ajay sir is also, so keep on used to read something and always prescribing something and searching some new things from the online and putting in the groups, how many of us we are reading it, it's a big question, sir, but still he's doing his own effort for conveying things to the readers, nothing can be done more than this. This is also be one of the thing here to be noted. It is because of the inspiration of ma'am. Ma'am always tell once if he go inside to say something about it, she will never say no. So she will say, yes, sir, you proceed with that, or you proceed with this, or you put it in a group. So therefore, I don't have any words to say for, thanks for ma'am. And she's always be with us and she's encouraging for reading. So this is, my point, to say thanks for the ma'am. And next is about our resource person. I don't know, Girish sir, how to say about you. And I'm first time meeting such a person so lively told about reading is just like a habit, and we can't force anybody to read something, it should come in, so come in. And if we know ourselves, then everything is possible. Reading, it is not just like an mechanical thing which we used to do. And so rightly, you just said that most of us, what we used to do is that first page we will turn and last page we will come, and ultimately nothing we will understand about a particular context, whatever which is wrote by a particular person. This should not happen, as you said rightly, sir. And about especially I really liked about your way of linking about our thinking, focusing, imagining, and visualizing, all these aspects which come or go hand in hand, then ultimately our brain will really survive for a long. So this is what you inspired our students today. Actually, sir, I while engaging my class interpretation of statute, some of the few of the students really they are interactive in the classroom. And one interesting thing which happened, that one student, he told supporting the matter which is told by another colleague of him. I just told that students, why can't you have your own thought in this particular regard? Why we have to always be taking the support of somebody? Be ourselves, and we have to express ourselves. It is possible only when we read. If we have a thorough reading of something, then we can be stand anywhere. So this is how I just told, and I just remember about your words also, sir. Thank you so much, and I hope you will be keep on guiding our students for this reading spirit, as you already told to Ajay sir. And at the same time, our students, I have to really thank for our students, those who to whom I told to attend the session, they immediately joined the session. I hope they got the benefit of this session also. There is no doubt in it. And one more thing is that our colleagues, they are always supporting with respect to arranging the programs in our college. And thank you so much for everybody. And I really thank for Ajay sir to give me an opportunity to say a few words for this wonderful person. And thank you so much, sir, and best wishes. Over to Bhavya.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your words.
Ajay sir.
Should we leave then? Ajay sir, Bhavya.
Hello. Thank you so much, sir, for the wonderful session.
Yes. Thank you. I hope it was like what you expected.
Yes, sir. Yes, it was indeed.
Okay. Then. Then with
Yes, sir, of course.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the great session.
Thank you so much. Then we can leave, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.